Hello, and welcome to Blue Ridge Lighting and Controls Low-Down Wall-on Lockdown video series featuring the XAL MoveIt Flexible Track System. XAL produces luminaries and lighting systems for retail, office, hotel, and residential spaces. XAL is a European-based company with U.S. operations in New York and Connecticut. The XAL MoveIt system is a sleek, flexible, and very elegant design. The MoveIt system is available as recessed, surface, or suspended versions. No tools are needed to mount the fixtures as the inserts install using a magnetized system. The magnet retention method is backed up by new locking technology that promises to secure all fixtures tightly. Moving and adjusting track lighting fixtures has never been so easy. There are a variety of fixtures available to use with the XAL MoveIt system. This presentation will focus on the Just 32 series spot fixture, the Tula suspended inset, the Tubo decorative inset, and the linear multi-spot. Each of these will fit into the XAL MoveIt system perfectly. The Just 32 focus inset fixture has a very small size and high output. The Just family of fixtures comes in three sizes: the Just 32, 45, and 55. The beam angle of the Just 32 spotlight fixture can easily be adjusted with the patented slider, which gives you the flexibility to react to changing lighting requirements. For more decorative options, the suspended Tula fixture inset integrates directly into the tracks and allows the MoveIt system to do even more, especially in living areas, conference rooms, and reception areas. The Tula is available in white and matte black with custom colors available upon request. It has a 33-degree beam angle and 284 delivered lumens. SeaTac Lighting and Controls corporate headquarters in Seattle, Washington utilizes both the XAL MoveIt track system and the Tula fixture to showcase the system as well as the interior space. As you can see, the Tula does a great job of highlighting wood grain surfaces while boasting a very modern architectural look. The new Tubo decorative light inset for the MoveIt system offers a wealth of artistic lighting design solutions. Tubo makes it easy to create individual and three-dimensional lighting graphics on walls and ceilings. The Tubo is available in 5 different lengths and can be rotated 360 degrees for optimal lighting performance. XAL has recently released a 0 to 10 volt version of the MoveIt system. Previously, the only way to control uplight and downlight separately could only be done with dolly dim. Now the uplight and downlight can be controlled separately using the 0 to 10 volt MoveIt system. Separating the insets and the track heads depends on how the inset is placed in the channel. A simple flip of the inset puts it on the other circuit. XAL has 4 offerings now for the MoveIt system: 0 to 10 volt, Lutron ecosystem, dual channel 0 to 10 volt, and dolly dim. Finally, the linear multi-spot inset fixture features a reduced design vocabulary. LEDs retreat into the background, lending ceilings a perfectly subdued look. The highlight 480 lumens per foot output creates an effective setting for displaying objects. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us.